Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of November 29, 2020. I hope that everyone have a good Thanksgiving with your loved one. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members so that they can make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term stock price direction for swing trade so that they can stay in the trade longer and make a bigger profit potential. Overall, seasonal trend is still bullish. Right now, people are in fear because of the virus, and every day you see that more people die, more people infected. But the people hope that the vaccine will be able to come out soon enough and be able to stop it. The stimulus package is still not come to the agreement yet. So let's see how the market will do next week, and we will continue to update during the week so that make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with a high probability of winning and low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand that it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at the chart so you can see more. Okay, so first of all, the overall market, you can see here it's still bullish. Look at the SPY long-term monthly chart. You see that the market is still very strong to the upside. And if you look at the weekly chart, the market is also trying to penetrate at this level here. If we're able to break out this level here, the market will continue to hit to the upside. In the short term, as you can see here, the market, they get stuck in this level here. But next week, if the market be able to punch through it, we can see more to the upside. All right, so now let's look at the other index to see what they are doing. So you can see that the IWM, okay, the Russell 2000 is also very strong. You can see here after the breakout this level here, and then momentum is still very strong to the upside. And IGV, another technology software is still very strong. Right now, the market, if the bullet is still come, they will continue leading by the technology software to support stay at home, work at home product. So this stock, this sector here, you can see that they get stuck into this level here. They tried a couple of times. So right now they try to penetrate. If they're able to break out, okay, the technology software will continue to the upside. And QQQ, okay, the technology stock, the same thing. They try to find a way to put through this level here. Let's see if they're able to do it. The semiconductor is still very strong sector. As you can see, they continue to put it to the upside. And especially they very strong. They go by, like AMD, right? Or Xilinx. Okay, so that's another strong stock to the upside, as you can see here, right? And the cloud-based business software like APPF, okay. So this one here, they try to use the base and try to push it to the upside. And IGN, it's another one that let me see, IGN. Sorry, let's see, IGN. Okay, that's another one that's very similar to Zoom. They go sideways and then they go up, they pull back down and try to find a way to put it back up. And Zoom, another strong one, after they correct here, so they try to find a way to put it back up to the upside. Let's see how far they can go back here. And the marijuana stock, is still doing extremely well. Like those stocks like Regeneration, they will continue to put it to the upside. And the bio sector like NVAF, okay, it's very strong. They break out last Friday, continue to put to the upside. mRNA, that's another strong. Moderna, that's one of the leading on the vaccine for the coronavirus. This stock has been highlighted since last week, and then it continues to put it to the upside. And as you can see here, the overall the market is still very strong. As you can see here, the Dow it also try to get out of this resistance here if they can punch through it, and the Nasdaq it also try to find a way to break out this resistance area here. Okay, Russell 2000 it continued to the upside. Bond it try to put it back up and retest the Dow trend line here. Let's see what they're going to do when they get back there. Oil it have a good week. Last week they continue to break out and continue to put to the upside. They'll be able to break out this area here. Okay, so now they continue to put it back up to the upside. And Bitcoin is like I warning you, okay, last week you see the market hit to the extremely area, and then the people took profit, and over the weekend, okay, on 25th, 26th, 27th, they slammed them down from almost 19,500 down to 16,525 there. So right now, let's see, they were able to bounce back up a little bit, and let's see how they react to this level here. Okay, so they probably try to push it back up, and then they may slam down again back to this area. So we have to be extremely careful on the Bitcoin right now. This is a big drop in only 1 or 2 days. They chop, a lot of point here, so you have to be careful. And okay, so before you can the short-term buy, and then we will see where they're heading to, and we will let you know. Okay, and so the euro it also tried to punch to this level here and put it to the upside. As you can see, gold it still go down, as you can see here. So gold it very soon will find a support here, and we're looking for some kind of rebound from here also. And I think there are just a few stocks that we show you here. In our expert live trading room, we analyze a lot more stock in the real time when the market opens, so our member can follow along and ask any question and know when to get in and when to get out to take the profit. If you would like to learn more, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck, and we will see you in the next video.